Examination of axillary lymph nodes. Totally, there are 5 groups of lymph nodes are there: anterior, posterior, central, lateral, and apical group. 5 groups are there. Okay, so we'll go for the discussion. So the same 5 groups can be divided into levels. So how you can divide into levels? First, consider this is the pectoralis minor muscle. Okay, those group of lymph nodes that are present lateral to the pectoralis minor muscle are called as group 1 or level 1 lymph nodes. Those lymph nodes that are present behind posterior to the pectoralis minor muscle are called as level 2 lymph nodes, and those group that belongs to the medial to the pectoralis minor are called as level 3. Okay, in level 1 there are 3 groups usually come, that is anterior, posterior, lateral belongs to level 1, central group belongs to level 2, and apical group belongs to level 3. Okay, so with that we'll go for the examination, clinical examination. How will you examine the axillary lymph node anterior group? Here you can able to see that patient in sitting position with examiner in opposite position. Okay, here the patient has got a right carcinoma of the breast. I am going to examine the right axilla. Okay, so take the patient right hand, kept it over the left forearm of the examiner, and keep the thumb in front and all the 4 fingers behind. Okay, in between that you got the anterior axillary fold. Try to feel for the lymph nodes in the anterior axillary fold. This is the way you have to examine the anterior group of lymph nodes. Next, central and apical group examination. Here also you have to stand opposite to the patient. You want to examine the axilla. Okay, consider this is the axilla. The central part of the axilla you have to examine by keeping all the 4 fingers kept it at the level of the axilla, and stabilize the opposite shoulder and examine the central group of lymph nodes. Whereas for apical group, so in this picture what you are seeing is the apical group. You have to stabilize the same side of the patient shoulder, then go deeper and try to palpate for the apical group of lymph nodes. So this way you have to examine anterior, central, apical. In anterior, central, apical, you have to use, suppose the patient is having a right axilla you are going to do, you have to use your left hand. Whereas in lateral and posterior you have to use the same hand. For example, this patient right axilla I am going to use. For lateral and posterior you have to use the right hand. Okay, how to do the examination of lateral group? Okay, patient in sitting position, examiner opposite that, and you take the your all 4 fingers. Okay, on the lateral end of the on the shaft of the humerus you have to palpate. Okay, against in between anterior and posterior axillary folds, looking for the lateral group of lymph nodes. Then the last one is the posterior group. Here you have to go behind the patient. Here you have to go behind the patient. Okay, with the left hand lift the patient right hand, and here you have to palpate all the 4 fingers in front and the thumb in back, encircling around the posterior axillary fold, and try to palpate in between the this region. Then that completes the examination of the axillary lymph nodes. Examination of anterior axillary group of lymph node. Okay, keep the forearm over the your forearm and thumb in front and all 4 fingers behind. Try to examine the anterior axillary fold. Feel for the lymph node and try to describe the lymph node size, shape, consistency, and mobility. Examination of central and apical group of lymph nodes. Lift the forearm completely. Take all the four fingers towards the central part of the axilla and rest the forearm over your forearm. Then stabilize the opposite shoulder. Try to palpate in the central aspect of axilla. Again, second, third, fourth ribs. Then simultaneously you can palpate for apical group. Stabilize the shoulder on the same side. Go deeper and try to palpate for apical group of lymph nodes. Lateral group of lymph node examination. Lift the forearm. Then here I am using the same hand. The patient right hand, I am using my right hand. Lateral and posterior, you have to use the same hand. Rest the forearm over your forearm. Then try to palpate against the shaft of the humerus. Look for the lymph node enlargement. Posterior group of lymph node examination. Lifting the right hand with your left hand, hold it like this. All the four fingers in front and the thumb back over the posterior axillary fold and try to palpate the posterior axillary lymph node.